3 tools that you probably have at home that you can easily use to maintain your roof. Coming up next.
Number 1, a broom or leaf blower. A broom or leaf blower is an easy way to keep your flat roof clean. Over time, debris such as leaves, branches, and dirt can accumulate on the surface of your roof. If left unchecked, these debris can clog drains and cause water to pool, leading to potential leaks or damage. Regularly sweeping or blowing off your roof helps prevent those issues and keeps your roof in top shape. Number 2, a garden hose. A garden hose can be a surprisingly useful tool when it comes to maintaining your flat roof. After cleaning the surface of any debris, you can use the hose to gently rinse off the roof and ensure no dirt or grime is left behind. Number 3, a ladder. A sturdy ladder is essential for any roof maintenance project. Whether you're performing routine inspections or cleaning, accessing the roof safely is the first step. Make sure your ladder is in good condition and tall enough to reach the roof without overreaching. When climbing up, always ensure that the ladder is stable and placed on a flat surface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.